Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here. So I have been getting some questions from people about what are you telling people who come to you wanting to be a part of the Epicure business? Because it's uncertain times right now, and people are probably looking to supplement their income. And most of these people probably are customers or they've been watching your posts for a while and they see you posting, which is excellent. You guys keep it up because it's kind of nice to be able to post on social media something other than the virus, something other than being isolated, being on lockdown. It's kind of nice to be able to share what you're having for lunch, what you're having for dinner. I was posting the other day on organizing my kitchen. I was organizing my pantry, which I am still doing. So it just kind of gives people something else to do too. And if you have people asking you, well, how can I join Epicure too? So then that way, if I'm posting and it's something to get excited about, how can I make some commission from that? So what I like to do is I like to show people our kit. So if they do want to start selling Epicure, show them our kit and say, even if that's not your main thing, like you want to make commission, yes, but at the same time you're just excited to get something in the mail. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait to be able to go shopping again. I just kind of feel like I need a sense of normal, but we can't go shopping. It's all pretty much online. So it is exciting to be able to get something in the mail. But we're also being careful because our money is probably very tight right now. So if you're going to purchase something, make it something you truly need. And we all have to eat. And to eat, we have to cook, especially if we are trying to save money and not order takeout. A lot of places out there are still offering takeout. You just can't eat in, but you still have to pay for that, right? So show them our amazing kit. I will zoom in for you guys. You literally get all of this. So for Canada, it's about 175 Canadian plus taxes and shipping. And then for the US, it's only 150 plus taxes and shipping. But this is about $500 worth of products right here. And this comes in a nice large, box. And shipping is slightly delayed, so it might take 2 weeks to get to you. So I would order this now. So let everybody know that this is an option, even if you just want to post about it and say, hey, who wants this pretty amazing meal kit delivered right to you? Who wants that? Something exciting. It will give them something to do with their kids. So I can leave the link for you guys for this as well on the bottom. Have a look. If you need more info about this, just let me know. And it like literally lists everything that's in our kit. So this would be a pretty exciting thing to get, right? And I hate to say it, but yes, so far we are still shipping everything out, but we don't know how long that's going to last, right? I do truly feel that they will still keep on doing this because people need something, like people need to have things shipped to them, because how else are we going to get everything? So I don't see that stopping anytime soon, but I don't know. So let people know that this is something that they could do. In fact, I'm going to post on my group also, like just to let people know that if you want something exciting, if you want some new items to actually cook with, here you go. So I hope this helps you guys. As always, let me know if you need anything, and please click like so that way I know people are watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.